Hi, my name is Sheldon Subir, Batch and Plant Supervisor at Advanced Readymix Limited, the #1 concrete company in Trinidad. Who makes us #1? It is suppliers like you who I can depend on for a quality product and timely service. Who makes my life easy at TCL as a purchasing customer? It is people who I can depend on for timely and accurate information. Having said that, let me take this opportunity in saying thanks to the sales team. The service from the sales team is excellent. Calls are answered or returned if missed, and updates are given. One thing I admire about this team is that customer satisfaction is a priority for them, which makes me a happy camper. Special thanks to Mr. Rodney Cohen, Miss Aveline Mulu, and Mr. Aaron Mohammed. Thank you guys so much for your full support. May God bless you and your company. Thanks again.